Hey guys, welcome back to Clatipult. I am Mitali, one of the legal faculties at Clatipult, and in today's video, we shall be discussing how to ace vocabulary, how to maximize your vocabulary preparation so as to ace the exam, and some of the tips and techniques attached to vocabulary and improving it. Now, first things first, why is vocabulary so important? CLAT now is a completely passage-based exam with it asking passages in almost all the sections and almost all the questions being based on passage. Now in English specifically, you would need to answer questions relating to antonyms, synonyms, appropriate words used or not, and also you will need to derive main idea, main argument, strong arguments, weak arguments, and critical reasoning. You'll need to figure out how to weaken an argument or how to strengthen an argument, and all of these will require a lot of extensive vocabulary with you and a lot of fluency with respect to reading and writing, which cannot come without being very strong in vocabulary. So now, how to improve vocabulary actually? So first things first, reading is the key. Always remember that readers are achievers, and this is very true for an exam like CLAT. You should read heavily. You can read novels, you can read newspapers like the Times of India, Indian Express, the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, Business Times, the Economic Times, and also papers like the Hindu itself. So now these newspapers have very high degree of English. They have scholars writing articles which have a huge vocabulary bank which exposes you to new words every day, every hour. And using these words, writing them down, memorizing and incorporating them into your English and your word bank is going to help you a lot in the longer run, helping you memorize and learn vocabulary very naturally. Some websites like Magoosh, GRE Prep are going to be supremely helpful in maximizing your vocabulary. Now you're done with the reading part. The second thing that you need to do is make a vocabulary journal. When I was preparing for CLAT, I had a notebook dedicated solely to words, and I had divided it in half, the other half solely for prefixes, suffixes, roots, which helped me memorize the roots of words and helped me make out the meaning of 10 to 20 words using just a basic root, prefix or suffix. Now for the first part of the notebook, I used to write down every new word that I was exposed to while reading, watching movies, listening to music, watching interviews, literally anything English, and I found a new word and I wrote it down in my journal. And I revised these words every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, and this helped me a lot before my CLAT exam because all of these words were literally almost ingrained into my brain. Some other tips and tricks include making flashcards for your vocabulary knowledge. Flashcards are very easy to make. You write word at the front and you have meaning at the back, and a lot of times you don't need to make your own flashcards. You can literally purchase flashcards based on vocabulary, or you can use websites for GRE Prep or Grammarly which help you give flashcards on their own, and you can carry them around or keep revising it on your phone whenever you get time throughout the day. It helps incorporate vocabulary as a section in your lifestyle and not as a separate subject that you need to study, which makes the memory of it very easy. Now learning prefixes, suffixes and root words. As I had mentioned, the other half of my notebook solely focused on these things. Now what are these? These are essentially words which help build other words. Since English has mostly come out of Greek and Latin languages, there are a lot of words or suffixes, prefixes and root words which help build English. So for example, you have words like bene, which means good, right? You have words like benefit, for your own goodness. You have benevolent, doing something of a very kind or generous nature. You have words like beneficial, which is good for you, which is helpful for you. And you have other such words which help you connect all those words to the root word bene, which again makes learning vocabulary very easy. Now flashcards, good movies, good songs, good novels, good books, good newspapers, all of them are going to help you expose to a lot of new words or vocabulary. But what are you going to do about it? Nothing's going to come out of it if you're not memorizing or regularly learning these words. So make sure you revise your journal every day before sleeping. Like revise a bit of it, revise the words learned in that day, and then revise it weekly or once in every 2 weeks. Also incorporate good vocabulary in literally everything. Try and make your life more fun by using better vocabulary in communication, in your captions, stories, if you create something like a YouTube video or an Instagram story or a reel, use good vocabulary in it, right? There's no harm not being good at English or not using good vocabulary or words. So make sure you do that and incorporate vocabulary in your lifestyle and practice, and give a lot of tests. Do not forget that nothing good is going to come out if you do not test your knowledge every second or third day and regularly. And make sure to also refer to really good books like Word Power Made Easy and other such good books that are available in the market. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining. See you guys in the next video.